So Garrett, you said something on the stage.
Yes.
Where if your message doesn't get through, then men are lost. Can you
Yes.
just share what that means to all
Well,
the men that are listening to you and me and right that
bottom
need to
line,
hear the
the
message?
entire planet, the way we see it right now, is falling apart because men are falling apart. Women are being empowered. Girls are being empowered. Men are being looked at as toxic, as evil, as wicked, and yet they are the infrastructure of society. And everybody wants society to rise. They want countries to rise. They want people to rise. And God's calling people to rise. And I am happy for women to rise. I got 4 baby girls and my wife. But at the end of the day, if men keep falling apart, this entire world the way we know it's. So here at Warrior, our mission is one simple game. We wake a man up, you wake up a marriage. You wake up a marriage, you wake up a family. You wake up a family, you wake up a city. You wake up a city, you wake up a country. You wake up a country, you wake up the world. And here at Wake Up Warrior, we've been doing it for 12 years.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Garrett. I have one more question for
Yes.
you. You work with a lot of entrepreneurs. What is the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make that is keeping them small?
Number one, they don't give themselves permission. So everybody thinks that somebody's going to give them permission to go. There's nobody going to give you permission to go. Hold on, baby girl. Wait. Come here. You're going to be on this. Come on.
Yes, let's get on it.
So permission, right? Who gives you permission? Permission to say what you say, do what you do, go where you go. You do. There's no rules. So the biggest restriction in any entrepreneur is the rules you create. When you create rules, you put yourself in a box, and then you say you can't get out of the box. Nobody put you there. You're not a victim. You're not entitled. Nobody owes you shit. But learning how to break that box and go, that's the hard part. And so the difference between an entrepreneur does 10,000 a month, 100,000 a month, 1 million a month, 10 million a month, is stories. Break the story, play different. Break the story, play different. The only difference between now, me, and 10 years ago, I just tell a different story now. And those stories lead to consequences and different actions.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Garrett.
You got it, brother. Appreciate you, man.